We'll be tracking a little weather across the lower 48 today, but want to cue you in, or clue you in, it's probably the right way to say it, on a storm or a cluster of thunderstorms we're tracking out across the Yucatan. Now, right now, it's Tropical Depression 14, but likely to be increasing and becoming more organized over the next day. So we're likely to have our next named storm system throughout the day today. Now, that storm system will expect to lift north across the Gulf of Mexico in a conducive environment for further strengthening. So likely to be a Category 1 hurricane by midweek. And then we're talking another potential landfall for our next named storm system. So that's going to be between Wednesday and Thursday. We'll know a little more about that forecast once we get into Monday and we pass the Yucatan. So that cone will kind of indicate, though, exactly where we're expecting that eye to go. That eye can go anywhere inside that cone. Usually those forecasts pan out relatively nicely. So keep checking back, especially if you're in the southeast, the panhandle of Florida. This will be a big story continuing to unfold over the next several days. Now, for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, the big weather concern is going to be across the central U.S. as they pick up ample amounts of rain. And a lot of those areas, the ground is already very saturated. So flooding will be a big concern. Areas around Kansas, Nebraska, expecting 2 to 6 inches of rain between now and Wednesday. Now, for Sunday, we are expecting the chance for some severe thunderstorms as well. So very important to stay weather aware. Damaging wind, small hail. Can't rule out an isolated tornado. Now, back across the Intermountain West, it's these low pressure centers developing, pulling in that warm Gulf moisture. That moisture wraps around, meets the cold air, and rings out as snow. So Wyoming, it's going to be cooler, and you're going to be picking up some fresh flakes. I'll leave you with a look at your high temperatures for your Sunday.